This is one of the nice Kenmores. This is the model 1430. It's a 1 amp machine. It's all metal. Very clean looking, very simple to use. It has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 built-in stitches, including the reverse or stretch, whatever you want to call them. And the stitches are accessed by that little lever there on the top, the red and white. It is a low shank machine. It uses short or low shank feet and attachments. Class 15 bobbins, 15 by 1 needles. Comes with a button holder, some bobbins, and a new pack of needles. Unfortunately, at this time, I don't have any low shank feet to include. But I don't go out and buy a lot of new stuff, and that's how we keep our machine prices down. I figure you can go out and customize what accessories you need after you get the machine. Or you can order some on eBay or go to Joann Fabrics and pick some up or anything like that. Nice working smooth machine. It does have a little character flaw, and we've worked and worked to try to fix this, and it won't come out. There's all kinds of adjustments have been made, and it makes no difference. If you put the stitch length, which is here, if you put the stitch length all the way down, as long as it'll go on 6, it will make a clicking noise inside. Now this clicking noise has no bearing on how the machine is sewing, nor does nothing's going to break. It's just a loose spring in there, and that spring is hitting against something, and it's just going to do that. There's nothing that can be done to really fix it. My husband worked on it for a couple days, and it's just not going to be fixed. So it's going to make an annoying click if you put the stitch length all the way down on 6. Now if you move it up to about 6 1/4, it doesn't make the noise anymore. It's really weird. And I'll show you what I mean. We'll start out with a straight stitch. And we'll put it on 6, and you'll hear the click. The click. Now if I move it up to about 6 1/4, the click goes away slowly the more you move it up. Put it about 6 1/2. No more click. It's just something in there where that spring is behind the stitch width or stitch length knob, and it's just not going to quiet down. Go over to a zigzag. Does a nice zigzag stitch. And we'll switch over to a stretch, which is just a flip of the lever. Do a stretch zigzag. See the fabric moving up and back. Now I have a PDF copy of a manual for a 1400, which is a very, very similar machine. The only difference is between this 1430 and the 1400 that I'll send you the manual for is the way that the patterns are set up on the dial. The rest of the machine operates the same. It has buttonholer instructions, oiling instructions, care instructions, the whole deal. A little bit different model number, but virtually the same machine. Now, like I said, this is a 1 amp machine. It's all metal. I'm using a size 16 needle. And I lost, there it is. This is 1, 2, 3, 6 layers of denim. Now, Kenmores always have lots and lots of room under the presser foot. And I do mean lots, like 5 quarters, 6 quarters, which I'll show you. Here's 5. There's 5 quarters with extra room, and that's with the presser foot pressure crank. It should get about 7 quarters under it if I let up on the pressure. Alright, 6 layers of denim. See, I made it a little longer in the length, and there the click came back again. Just a little. Take the length up to about a 6 1/2. Well, about a 7 on the dial. And the click's not there anymore. Just a little character flaw of the machine. Still makes a perfect stitch whether it's clicking or not. Kind of annoying, I know, but there's not much that can be done about it, so that's the way it is. My thread came out of the thread guide here, so I'm putting it back. There we go. Alright, 3 layers of garment leather. Not an industrial machine by any means, but if you have, you know, simple leather projects that you need to do, machine's going to handle them with no problem. I'm using a size 16 needle. Nice perfect stitch on 3 layers of garment leather. And one more sample. This is 6 layers of, it's a woven upholstery fabric with a rubber backing. No problem there. No catching or pulling. And this machine is tabletop ready. It's serviced, or it can be put in a cabinet or a carrying case. And please check my other listings because I try to keep a carrying case available at all times for these larger square bed Kenmore machines because these will not fit in a Singer cabinet or a case. They have a longer and a more square bed or deck than a Singer or a White or a Dressmaker or other machines like that. The Kenmores are exclusive to the big decks. So check that out. Check out the pictures in large format and read the description, and feel free to email me if you have any questions. Thank you.